welcome back. You know, some shows might have the bronze dancers. Some shows might even have silver. But here at Filipino A, we only choose the best. Today with us, we have the Golden Dancers of Toronto. Welcome, ladies. How are you? Okay, so before you dance, why don't you introduce yourself and tell us your names to our viewers.
Okay, I'm Felia Alfaro. I'm the founder and president of the Golden Dancers of Toronto. I am the costume designer and I am the choreographer. Thank you.
I'm Stella Bishop and I'm only a dancer.
All right.
I'm Rosa Hilario. I'm one of the dancers.
I'm Norma Laksamana, one of the dancers.
Wow, thank you, Paul. Thank you, everyone. Now, without further ado, you know, apparently these ladies have found the fountain of youth in dancing. So let's see them in action. Ladies and gentlemen, the Golden Dancers of Toronto.